I'm at the Temple of All Religions in Kazan, and it's currently under construction. But sorry about the noise around this place. It's literally near the road. So it's currently under construction, as you can see. And just a brief history about it. It consists of several religions. So there's a mosque, there's a synagogue, there's an Orthodox church, all in one. And it was started by Hanov. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Hanov, the first name, Ildar Kanov, and it's still under construction. So now it's a cultural center, and tourists come to this place to see it and to try and understand like how multiple religions can be in one place. So let's go in and check out this place. And today is my friend's birthday, Helen's birthday. I've seen her in the channel before. Happy birthday, Helen.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Yeah, and I've decided to bring her to this place so she can see. Yeah, she should go to church. Let's see here. So it says the entry is 100 rubles. Yeah, let's find out.
Oh, kids, it's free.
So from the outside, this is how it is, and it's just right next to the road. So sorry for the noise, but this is where it's located. What can you tell us about this temple?
It's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
But it's confusing because
I don't know which religion is.
yeah, no one is explaining to us.
Yeah, so
They don't know English, so yeah. This is the whole temple, all of them. We don't really know which hall we're in right now. We're just trying to find our way. So this is a direction to the next hall. I don't really know which hall this is or which church this is, but I think this is the Orthodox church. And I can see like some musical instruments and so many pictures, and the setting is like a church, definitely. So yeah, we're just going to go to the next hall and see what's there, or if we understand maybe. So come with me. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Like, comment, share, and make sure to subscribe for such amazing videos. So Helen is saying that guy looks like Jesus.
He's not visible.
But he's Sri Ravishan card. I don't know who that is. That one.
Kind of looks like Jesus. He has the Jesus vibe.
Helen, have you ever seen Jesus?
In my heart, I know he has the Jesus vibes.
Okay, so this one's for smoking.
Mabishte vingi.
Do you know how to play the piano?
A few moments later.
This is all that there is in this hall. So let's see other halls. Oh, they have this. Yeah, so this is a temple of all religions. I don't know what I expected here, but we're pretty much doing all the learning by ourselves.
We're guessing.
We're just guessing things here. And it's quite, there are not so many people here, and they don't really know English, and our Russian is not that deep. My Russian is not that deep.
Mine
So
too.
I can't understand what they're saying for this kid. I don't know, is it a kid or I don't know, they cry.
Oh, it's weird though. It's very weird.
That's it for this hall. Let's go see other halls. So that is the downstairs part of the hall we were in, and this is the upstairs part. I don't know if this is where they conduct their meetings from. I think meeting services, I don't know. Anyway, let's go to other.
Как здорово! С ними сфотографироваться, да, слушайте, это в одежде. Классно. Вы у нас учитесь, да?
Да.
В Казани учитесь или в Москве?
В Москве.
В Москве. Ой, здорово, прекрасно.
Спасибо.
Класс.
А
А вообще
что?
откуда приехали? Откуда родом? Из Африки,
Из
да?
Кении, да.
Из Кении, да?
Да.
О, классно. Здорово.
А что вы делаете?
Да, что вы
А мы
делаете?
элементы для тибетского храма, который там вот прямо вот в зал и налево. Там, вот, там такие красивые вот стоят вот.
Oh, they make these things.
Золотиться золотом. И вот тут тоже красивые элементы.
Круто.
Здесь потом тоже будет эта поталь накладываться. Ну, золотисто будет накладываться.
Я делаю видео, хорошо?
А?
Я делаю видео,
Да,
хорошо?
пожалуйста. Прекрасно. Так,
Спасибо
такие
большое.
прям хорошенькие вообще. Прелесть.
А как вы это?
Меня резида. Резида, это название
Резида.
цветка. Цветок такой. Душистый резида. И девочки, вот Эльза, Элина, Гульнара,
Привет.
А я Хелен.
Хелен.
Да.
Я Винли.
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 Бини, ага, Хелен, да, как наша Лена, Елена.
Да,
Хелен.
Елена.
Елена, да, вот Елена, да. Класс.
So this is the hall where they make these things.
Вам хорошо
for the-
отдохнуть у нас здесь? Да,
for the decoration.
жить у нас. Ну, что такое? Ой, Николай, сейчас
So this is where they make the decorations from for this place, in that hall where we're from. And the people in Kazan are just so nice, so friendly. They do their best to learn English. So when they see you, they try to speak English with you to make you comfortable, I guess, and to also just practice the language. Should we go to this next hall? Thank you.
Oh wow.
This, I don't know what this is, but it's so beautiful. These lights. And this place is so beautiful. I think this is the most beautiful hall that we've been to in this area. Just look at this painting.
The flowers.
And then this lighting. And the floor. All these animals. What does this represent? What do you think? I don't know.
Nature, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, maybe it's a religion
But
that
which
really adores
religion?
nature, I don't know. But it's so beautiful. The trees, the colors.
Yeah. Looks like the Garden of Eden.
Yeah.
Maybe we're trying to represent that.
No, I can see some Aladdin guy up there. So it's probably
yeah.
Islam. No, I don't know. It's Aladdin Islamic woman.
I don't think. Oh, and this. Okay, yeah. So definitely not Christian.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Should we go down? Yeah.
Careful.
Let's see what's down here. Oh no! It was the place that it was closed. It's closed.
It's
from down.
closed. Okay.
So you can go down. Okay. So this is the Buddhist hall. As you can see over there, the Buddha.
Should be Buddha. I think.
And I don't know what these things are, but what you can find in a Buddha temple. And oh, this is a meditation place. And then the medicine one. I think that's what is here.
Pose for the camera. Door point you go against light.
Pretty much what's here. Let me show you the next time left.
Alafu nikufe kesho. Unajua itakuwa shida yako.
So,
Oh please. The amount of time Vingley has
no,
to leave.
your
To
time.
leave Kazan.
Your
To
time.
leave
Oh, to
Kazan.
leave Kazan. Oh, yeah.
Kazan.
This is the second last place I'll go to before I leave Kazan. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Again, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of this, I really enjoyed myself here. So yeah, just leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe, okay? Make sure to subscribe, or me and the Buddha will come for you. Me and this Buddha will come for you to make sure you subscribe.
Imeniumisha njoo hii kamera yako ya kando. All religions. How?
Just telling you to be more religious. Please
Yeah.
go to church, pray.
Polite reminder, true.
Let's pass again through this place for the last time.
This place is so beautiful. Beauty. Beauty. The place, the people. Beauty.
Yeah. This is the hall where we started from. We've gone through all the halls, all the temples, all the churches, all the religions that we could, because some of the halls are closed for their reasons, I guess. And it has been amazing. The photos, the art, the paintings, what they're trying to explain. I think I should read more about that because this was impromptu. But this place is definitely nice. when you come to Kazan, you should definitely come to this place and experience what this place is. The people here are so nice, they're so kind, and yeah, so I hope you really enjoyed the vlog and hope to see you soon. Bye.